say that I am not the same girl. Say I think that I am in my own world. What makes you think that I have changed? Yeah. A little joke cannot erase my problems. Me like you, I have to try and solve them. I wish that I forgot the words. I'm just trying to be me, doing what I got to do. Some people think that I'm just sitting on top of the world. I'm just trying to be me, proving what I got to prove. Some people think that I'm just sitting on top of the world. Sitting on top of the world. Dum, 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 dum. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is I, it is me, it is she, it is Kivonshe, and I am here with my first episode of the new year. Now, being totally transparent, today is December 30th, but I'm not posting this video until after the new year, so suck it. Anyways, look at this watch that my sister got me. So the sister that got me this gift, she don't be giving gifts, so I'm just here to show her that I'm wearing it. I have to take some of the links out so that I can fit it, but this is super cute. It's a Michael Kors watch. Thank you, boo. Appreciate it so much. Super grateful, super happy. But anyway, let's get into why I posted this video in the first place. It has been well over a year that I have bought makeup like en masse. I used to subscribe to BoxyCharm, Ipsy, all types of stuff, and then I started looking into budgeting and saving and all this other stuff. And honestly, once COVID kind of happened, like there was no reason to really be buying makeup like that. But there's really only been one brand that's been consistent in staying fresh and staying current and relevant throughout the pandemic and everything, and that's E.L.F. Cosmetics. So what better way than to have my first video of the new year be an unboxing of E.L.F. Cosmetics. All right. We have this super big box because I bought 20 items. So rip that bag open. And try not to jack up my nails. The box is super cute. They've been on their like clean, sustainable kick, I think, since like right before COVID, as far as just reducing the amount of materials that they package with so that you can reduce waste. Trying to get nail. But oh, it says express your E.L.F. Anyways, so they've been keeping up with that, and it's been pretty decent. So I'm gonna just take this out the box. I'm not about to do a first review or a full face, obviously, because I already have a face on, but you already know what's coming up next. All right, first thing I got was the Instant Brow Pencil in deep brown, because I'm overdue for brow pencil. This actually came free because of the amount of money that I spent, and it's the Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. So travel size, throw that in my little travel pack. I already tried their Holy Hydration line and it's amazing, but right now I'm using On a Mission and it has my skin glowing. But every once in a while your skin needs to like do something different to stay fresh, so that's why I got that. I remember being a kid and just having a lot of fun when your parents bought something just so you could jump on bubble wrap and just roll around it. I still love it. Like, I want to do an entire video of just popping bubble wrap. I might just so pleasing. Okay. This is the This is the E.L.F. Satin lipstick. This is in the shade E.L.F, I will say, is I find it very hard to find the shade names. I guess. I don't know. Oh, I'm dumb. No doubt. I got a bunch of these. This is just an unboxing. I'm not even going to open it. When I do the review and the first impressions, I'm going to show y'all because I got a bunch of these. So we got No Doubt. And I'm going to assume that the color of the box is the lipstick shade. So I basically went with like some nudes and some berries. Yeah, so the color of the box is definitely the shade colors. So this one is Vocal. This one is Hustle. That's the color for this one. A little bit on like the lighter peachier side. I think I got one more. And this is their Satin lipstick. I want to say this is the one I've been seeing on Instagram. I think so. I'll put a picture of like one of the examples in there because I'm not about to open this right now. Because I'm getting ready to go to a going away. And if you're familiar with the military, you know when you go to certain places where you have like a set time that you're there, we have what we call PCS season. And in PCS season, it's literally like going away after going away after going away. So party, get together, saying goodbyes, drinking, crying, whatever. See you at the next assignment type of situation. So I'm going to one of those, which is why I'm just doing an unboxing. That's why my face is already done up. Yeah. So this is On It. I cannot wait to try this. Okay. So these are, I'm still trying to get used to these nails. It's been a long time. The 4 colors. Boom. In here, oh, you might be wondering, so while I'm opening this, how much did I spend? 20 items. I don't have my phone near me. Hopefully the little invoice is in here. With E.L.F, they're super affordable. The quality of the products have gone up, so the prices have increased by like a couple of dollars. But honestly, if you look at what happens to your face and the staying power of E.L.F versus high-end luxury brands, I would say that E.L.F is moving into an affordable luxury category with like affordable low budget prices. Some people might get mad because, oh, they went from $6 to $9 on X, Y, and Z, and it's like, wow, really, we're really about to cry over $3 when the packaging and the formula has gotten exponentially better. It's better than the $50 bottle that you use, but you're crying over $3. Anyways, I got the E.L.F Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. So I finally learned how to use like glow products. I have been practicing with my Milani Glow like Luminous skin tint, and I have been using it underneath other foundations. And then the Fenty Hydration Pro Filter. So I have combination oily skin, but now that I know how to use it, I wanted to try it. This is in the shade Deep Rich. I want to say it's the second to last or like third to last deepest shade. Might be too dark for me, but I can finesse it. Then I needed some new brushes, some new face products because I don't be cleaning them as often as I could, right? I clean my sponges, but my brushes, yeah. It's getting a little dark outside. I hope this video, I don't know what the lighting looks like. Let me turn on my lights. I'm not sure how much of a difference that made, but it's quickly getting dark outside. Anyways, I got the E.L.F. Ultimate Luxe Brush Roll 19-piece brush collection. Now, some of these I already have in my collection right now, but they're just old, and could I wash them? Yes. Will I wash a lot of them? Absolutely, because I like to have like travel bags so that when I'm getting ready to go on a trip, I could just take like those little brush sets and just throw them in my bag to pack, and then not have to go through my whole collection. So this I'm going to keep as like my regular collection. I'm gonna go through my brushes again and just figure out which ones I use the most, clean those, and just keep those as like my travel bag. But this, I just wanted like a home collection kit, and E.L.F. brushes are surprisingly, at this point it's not even a surprise, E.L.F. brushes are really good. I got the Cookies and Dreams single scoop face sponge. This is the one that's like the black and white marble. Then I got the Total Face sponge. This sponge is everything. I see why it went viral. Like the way that it applies products, better than Beauty Blender. Then I got the Luminous Putty Blush. This is in the shade Isla del Sol. And I already kind of have like an orangey one, but I wanted to try this because it's fiery. I got a Glossy Lip Stain. This is, now of course the shade is not going to be, it's in Basic Beige. Do I want to stay matte, or do I want to try this right now? I'm gonna put that away. Oh, I got two of these. So I got a lot of sponges. You can never have enough. What else? Oh, I got a bunch of lip stains. You know when you be buying stuff and you don't remember. All right, so I got the Basic Beige, and then I got Spicy Sienna. This is the one I think I've been seeing on my timeline. I think Old Face is bomb, but this is the one I think has been showing up. Either way, Spicy Sienna, Fiery Red, because it's that time, girls. This is the type of red that you can wear all year long. It would look fire with this gray outfit too. And Coral Cutie. So lots of new lip products. Again, masks are not like a hard mandate anymore. So for me personally, I'm going back to wearing things other than brown lip liner and clear lip gloss. So it's my time again. Next, I got some more Power Grip Primer because this is A1. As far as primers goes, I'm not purchasing any other primer, so that's it for the girls. It is what it is. E.L.F. is coming through, and they're competing at a major, incredible price point. This is, I think I also got this. I got like 2 free products. I know I got the Daily Hydration, the Daily Moisturizer, the travel size one as a free gift. I don't know that I would have bought the Holy Hydration face cream, but it's a bomb cream. I like wearing that cream at night too. I don't see my receipt in the box. I want to say I spent like $120. Not that much. Oh yeah, this is the other one. Keep Your Balance Toner. So with the money that I spent, I know that there was an option to get 3 things, but I know I only chose 2. So I'm glad that I know I did not put this in my cart. So I think this came because how much money I spent. But Holy Hydration, boom, boom, and boom. Cannot beat it. That is gonna wrap up today's video. Once again, welcome to 2020. 2023. I'm super excited about everything that's to come. I'm excited to see what happens with everybody that I follow, with people that follow me, and happy to see what's gonna happen with me. This journey is just beginning. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my socials: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, okay? All under Kivonshe. All right, get to know me, get the name into your membrane, you know what I'm saying? All right, gotta go. That's so fun.